Imagine if half of Amazon's workforce were replaced by Tesla Optimus bots, how many units would the US military purchase? The demand for Tesla's humanoid robots is beyond imagination. These robots, not electric vehicles, EVs, are set to drive Tesla's stock upward, with tens of millions of reservations. Priced at around $20,000, these robots are hard to overlook. Once they are produced in large quantities, Elon Musk will earn billions of dollars, and Optimus owners will save hundreds of thousands of dollars monthly. The significance of this robot will be highlighted in today's episode of Tesla Bot. If the Tesla Bot proves effective, we might see 10 to 20 billion units sold. This launch comes at a time when Tesla is showing signs of slowing down. One way for Tesla to maintain a 50% compound annual growth rate, CAGR, could be through robo-taxis, but this seems unfeasible soon. The Tesla Bot could help improve margins significantly. Elon Musk's confidence in the Optimus robot is not coincidental. There is a clear strategy behind it that needs time to unfold. The robot's profitability stems from commercialization and automating production at Tesla's factories. Tesla plans to test the robot internally to evaluate its usefulness. According to Sawyer Merritt on X, the Optimus robot will enable massive cost savings for Tesla and other companies at the factory level. Tesla has nearly 100,000 employees across its 5 gigafactories, with Giga Texas employing over 22,000 workers who earn an average annual salary of $33,860. If the Optimus robot were to replace even some of these employees, Tesla would save a substantial amount of money. The Optimus robot, with its 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack, can operate continuously for over 8 hours without breaks, annual leave, or health insurance, significantly reducing operational costs. Unlike human employees, the robot doesn't require medical insurance, retirement plans, or lunch breaks and doesn't suffer from fatigue. Upgrading the battery pack could allow the robot to operate 24/7 without rest. Regular maintenance is necessary but is not a significant concern compared to human labor costs. From an economic perspective, using Optimus robots brings significant benefits to Tesla by saving on wages and benefits across its 5 gigafactories. One of the biggest challenges Tesla's factories face is maintaining a stable workforce, which the Optimus robot could help alleviate. The production line is short of workers, but the presence of Optimus makes overcoming these obstacles easier. Not only can Optimus replace human labor, but Tesla can also eliminate many redundant machines in the production line. With Optimus, Tesla will fully utilize the robot sensor system to check for and detect errors after EVs are produced, providing a much more accurate inspection rate than human observation. This increases efficiency and reduces the risk of human error, highlighting the importance of a multi-purpose humanoid robot in the factory. Optimus can work 8,000 hours per year tirelessly, ensuring continuity and improving product quality with high precision and repeatability, something humans cannot match. This automation saves Tesla tens to hundreds of millions of dollars annually in product repair and maintenance. As production scales up and costs fall below $20,000, the usefulness of humanoid robots will increase, making them more affordable than cars. Elon Musk envisions a future where people could gift robots to their parents, indicating optimism about Tesla's development of Optimus. Optimus's flexibility goes beyond driving automation and current production processes, opening the door to future changes. These robots can easily adapt to any changes in the production process. For instance, Tesla is switching to an unboxed production line for low-cost electric vehicles like the Model 2, Robo-Taxi, and Tesla Van. If integrated into this process, Optimus will ensure smooth and efficient changes without disrupting production. Musk's vision extends beyond creating a factory robot. He's aiming for commercialization in new markets to maximize revenue. Optimus, equipped with advanced artificial intelligence, can quickly learn and adapt to various tasks, extending its role beyond Tesla factories to become a true homemaker. In this role, Optimus can handle mundane household chores, equipped with 8 360-degree cameras, numerous advanced sensors, and AI capabilities. Integrated with your smartphone, you can command it with a touch, ensuring a spotless house without lifting a finger. Optimus can take over the tedious cycle of sorting, washing, and folding laundry, neatly folding clothes in just 30 seconds. It can also handle errands and grocery shopping, managing the entire process efficiently. With this, you can create shopping lists on your phone, navigate them to pickup points, and have items brought back to you. This helpful companion will significantly change the way you live. In interviews, Musk has shared his vision of these humanoid robots serving millions of households by handling various tasks such as cooking, lawn mowing, and elderly care. This idea is supported by the use of chips and sensors similar to Tesla's autopilot software. Musk has also reassured multiple times that the Tesla bot will not pose safety concerns. Instead of carrying items, Optimus will be able to carry up to 45 pounds and lift 150 pounds, but it is designed so that humans can easily overpower it if necessary. It wouldn't be an exaggeration to say that millions of people are expected to rush to pre-order the Tesla bot, potentially surpassing the demand for Tesla's electric vehicles and even exceeding the pre-orders for the Cybertruck, which reached 2 million. The significant demand stems not only from the desire to use the Tesla bot to generate income and save money but also to reduce labor. Elon recognized this early on, and it's not wrong to call the Tesla bot a stock and financial lifeline for Tesla in the years to come. Cern Basher CFA, offering brilliant advice, discussed the potential opportunities and economic viability of designing and owning Tesla robots, explaining that the bot could save owners approximately $83,000 per year for each rented bot with a payback period of 3.7 years. When considering the cost of a robot, the speaker assumed it would ultimately cost around $10,000 after mass production, bringing significant profits to Tesla. Why will Optimus soon become a brand and have its own company? Analysts at Goldman Sachs project that the humanoid robot market will burgeon into a staggering $38 billion by the year 2035. This forecast sets the stage for a plausible scenario where the Optimus humanoid robot emerges as a prominent brand, potentially under a company founded by Elon Musk. As evidenced by ongoing operations within Tesla factories, the realm of Tesla robotics persistently stands out as an area undergoing accelerated development compared to other divisions. It is anticipated that as Elon Musk consolidates a cohort of experienced engineers, Tesla Robotics will eventually branch out to its own dedicated facility specializing in the research and production of machines tailored to serve the electric vehicle manufacturing sector. Foremost among these innovations is the Optimus humanoid robot, heralding the pinnacle of technological advancement. The hypothesis holds substantial merit given the substantial revenue Elon is poised to accrue from commercializing his fleet of humanoid robots. Rather than integrating robotics fields within existing gigafactories, Musk's financial resources are projected to facilitate the establishment of separate facilities solely dedicated to these robots. At this juncture, Optimus would symbolize a flagship brand emblematic of the AI advancements Musk fervently champions. Elon Musk has repeatedly articulated his confidence in the immense potential of robotics, viewing Optimus as a significant stride towards realizing his vision of a future where humans and machines coexist and collaborate harmoniously. Leveraging Tesla's initial credibility, Musk possesses the capability to attract top talent and mobilize the necessary capital from major investors, including commercial entities, to ensure Optimus transforms into a resounding success. Why will Elon Musk focus on commercializing Optimus for large companies? Optimus is significant because it's not always revolutionary but rather a natural progression of how technology can address business challenges, such as global labor shortages and finding better, safer ways to perform repetitive or dangerous tasks for humans. For example, Amazon, the second largest private employer in the US, is concerned about running out of available labor to hire in the US and is quickly developing automated solutions. What if millions of Optimus bots were sold to Amazon? Prior to 2022, Amazon warehouses had introduced a handle robot capable of picking and stacking items much faster than humans. The company shared that this handle robot could pick up a new item and place it on a metal chute every 3 seconds, processing over 1,000 items per hour. This means it could pick and stack items much faster than a worker. Various types of goods could be handled and moved without human guidance because the robot relies solely on cameras to see the items and machine learning to decide the best way to pick up a specific item. Motion planning algorithms help the robot navigate crowded scenes without bumping into or damaging any goods. However, this robot could only move items weighing less than 2 pounds. In comparison, Optimus, even in its early development stages, boasts features and technical specifications far superior to the small rudimentary handle robot. Optimus can handle weights of up to 45 pounds, making it efficient and flexible in transporting goods, helping Amazon optimize warehouse processes and reduce delivery costs. Through the display screen on its head, Optimus can also directly interact with customers, providing support services and product advice, enhancing the quality of the experience. The Optimus robot not only helps Amazon operate goods more efficiently but will also bring Elon Musk a large revenue stream through orders placed via Amazon. At this point, Elon's robot reputation will be global, attracting a lot of attention from other companies. The entire retail industry continues to struggle with the challenge of finding and maintaining reliable labor sources. Walmart, a partner of Tesla with its semi-trucks, has announced one of the ways this retail giant addresses the issue. The company has collaborated with Ford and Argo AI to deliver goods directly to customer homes through self-driving vehicles. This is the latest move by the retail giant to leverage automation technology in its supply chain transportation. Walmart is pushing for a more customer-centric approach to business, such as faster last-mile delivery. The quick-service restaurant industry, heavily impacted by global labor shortages, is gradually finding ways to apply artificial intelligence and machine learning to reduce errors in drive-through lanes and order management, among other improvements. In manufacturing, Optimus robots supported by AI will take on repetitive, hazardous, messy, and uncomfortable tasks, allowing humans to focus more on meaningful and safer work. This isn't the first time a robot has been trusted. For example, Lufthansa Technik uses robots to inspect cracks on engine parts, a process that previously involved messy and tedious manual dye-penetrant testing. Rolls-Royce also experimented with flexible snake-like robots that can inspect engine assembly lines and perform error correction repairs. These robots can accomplish tasks that humans cannot, accessing areas inaccessible to humans. Within 3 to 5 years, people will likely be able to receive an Optimus robot. It's easy to see how Optimus can address many challenges by becoming a true robotic assistant. Elon Musk believes that within the next 3 to 5 years, people will be able to purchase Optimus to become their personal assistant. Musk envisions a future where Tesla robots handle dangerous and unpleasant tasks, allowing people to explore creative and inspiring work or simply enjoy a life filled with relaxation and tranquility. The Optimus robot is the clearest evidence that Tesla is not just an automaker. Elon Musk has repeatedly emphasized that no company is even close to Tesla in solving real-world AI problems. The same computer and software that power Tesla cars also go into Optimus. At Investor Day 2023, Musk mentioned that Tesla would offer the public something that other companies do not have: real-world AI. He described cars as wheeled robots but noted that Tesla has a robot with legs. The term real-world AI refers to the application of artificial intelligence in practical settings rather than just theoretical or experimental development. AI is expected to be applied in various fields of automation, such as cars, robots, and everyday life services. Musk recognizes that the AI used to power self-driving cars has many similar applications. Machine learning technology can gradually be improved with the goal of achieving AGI, artificial general intelligence. Humanoid robots will become increasingly indistinguishable from humans. Musk is betting that the AGI market will dominate the self-driving car market. It may take a while for Optimus to reach the pinnacle of AGI, but starting early is crucial because the company that reaches the finish line will be the winner. From the outset, Tesla was identified not just as a car company but as a technology company. It can also be an energy company, an AI company, and now a robotics company. With Optimus, Tesla has integrated the self-driving capability of its cars and built the most advanced neural network into humanoid robots. These robots feature similar technology to the Dojo neural network chip, sensors, and cameras used in fully self-driving EVs. Tesla's videos about Optimus demonstrate its ability to perform complex tasks such as office deliveries, lifting objects, or even assembling another Optimus. Recalling Optimus's specifications, like most humanoid robots on the market, Tesla Optimus adheres to standard proportions with a height of 5 feet 8 inches. Its current weight is around 138 pounds, after Tesla reduced metal materials in the steering system, shedding at least 22 pounds since the Gen 2 update, down from 160 pounds in the initial generation. This robot uses significantly less material than most other models, consisting of 60% metal and 40% polyurethane plastic. However, Milan Kovac, a Tesla Optimus engineer, revealed that the current Optimus only achieves a speed of 1.34 miles per hour, equivalent to 6 meters per second. Tesla has increased the moving speed by an additional 30% since the Gen 2 version late last year. Optimus has a total of 28 drives for body parts to control joints and muscles when performing tasks. Tesla states that Optimus is equipped with a 2.3 kW battery powered by the Tesla SoC chip, supporting Wi-Fi and LTE connectivity. The hand is one of the most meticulously crafted details. Engineers stated that they conducted thorough research to design it, inspired by biology. The hand can grip, pick up, or manipulate objects accurately, mimicking a real human hand with 11 degrees of freedom. In the Gen 2 update, it can effortlessly grasp and arrange boiled eggs smoothly on a specially designed tray, showcasing its impressive new capabilities. The official price of the product has not been disclosed, but Musk mentioned that the company is aiming for a price below $20,000 after at least 2 confirmations. The Tesla robot promises to bring about a future where humans no longer have to bear heavy, dangerous, and tedious tasks. Through the advancement of artificial intelligence and self-driving technology, Tesla is creating machines capable of replacing humans in the workplace, helping to minimize stress and the risk of injury for employees. If Tesla were not actively doing this, other companies would likely continue to develop this technology. However, with the mission of liberating humans from monotonous labor, Elon Musk and Tesla are leading the way in this industrial revolution with their technical capabilities and deep understanding of artificial intelligence. Tesla is pushing further in applying this technology to humanoid robot production. Their efforts not only help create useful robots for their own factories but also open up potential for others in the future. In summary, the development of Tesla robots is a significant step forward in liberating humans from exhausting labor and serves as evidence of the power of artificial intelligence and the company's commitment to shaping the future of industry and society. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and join the TeslaBot family by subscribing to our channel. Don't miss out on any of our awesome videos by hitting the bell icon. We value your feedback and your time. Thanks so much for watching, and see you soon. Until then, stay safe and have fun.